What are you doing, Malachi?
AJ, I will buy some candy.
What are you doing?
I'll buy you guys some candy.
Candy!
What are you?
If you're good, maybe Auntie Mabel, Uncle June will take you to the store, the gas station, to get some candy.
My auntie.
Do
Candy.
you want to go? We can go.
These guys got in trouble for the way Malachi says Skittles. The dad will go blame it on them.
No.
That's his natural.
Malachi, do
He'll go
you
blame it
like
on them.
Skittles?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Max.
Ask Uncle for some Skittles.
Matt,
Cheetos.
what else? Come and tell me what Uncle VJ said when Mally said Skittles like titties.
Titties.
What?
Titties.
He said, okay, we was like, okay, Auntie Margie, we was like this.
He's talking to the video.
Oh.
We was like, I was like, Malachi say Skittles. Then he said, titties. And then
Titties.
after he said that, then he said, who he get that word from? He was like, that's just how he say Skittles. Then he said, I kind of forgot the whole story though.
So, read it.
What is that?
Read it.
Skittles?
Yeah.
Say it.
Titties.
Okay. Kiss Margie.
Oh,